Welcome to Neurological Polytechnic. I am Sima Raut, part of General Science Department, subject Mathematics. Today, our topic is multiple angles, trigonometric ratios or functions. So, multiple angles. What do you mean this? For an angle A is related to B, A is the angle. Usually multiples of A. Multiples means 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. So this is the multiple angles of A. A is the angle. So 1 time is, we know that 1 into A equals to A. We have already done it. Now 2 times, 3 times A, 4 times A. In this way it is etc. are called multiple angles of A. So today now talk about double angle. What do you mean double angle? Double angle means 2 times angle A. So sin 2A equals to 2 sin A into cos A. This is a formula. And another formula also 2 tan A whole by 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2A formula is what? 2 sin A into cos A, or you can put down 2 tan A whole by 1 plus tan square A. Next, 1 plus sin 2A. In this formula, we can find out 1 plus sin 2A is sin A plus cos A whole square. And also we can find out 1 minus sin 2A. We just find out the formula sin A minus cos A whole square, or you can find out cos A minus sin A whole square. That means A minus B whole square plus A equals to B minus A whole square. These are all same. Okay, let's see. For example, find the value of sin 105 degree into cos 105 degree. So let's see how to find out the answer. Sin 105 degree into cos 105 degree. Here sin A, let it be 105 degrees A and cos 105 degree A. So sin A into cos A here. So what we need? 2. 2 is need for us because we know that the formula here, sin 2A formula is 2 sin A into cos A. So we need a 2. If you multiply a 2, then we should be divided 2 because this is by the principle of algebra. If you multiplying something, then you should divide that number. Okay, so let's see, this is the formula 2 sin 105 degree into cos 105 degree. That means 2 sin A into cos A. That means what is the formula? Sin 2A. So A is here 105 degree. So sin 2A. So 2 into 105 degree is how much? 210 degree. So 210 degree we should convert it in acute angle. So how to convert it? You know that 210 degree is equals to 180 degree plus 30 degree. You just converted by the principle 90 degree plus something, 180 degree plus something, or 360 degrees plus something, or minus subtraction or addition something. So in this rule we just convert it in acute angle. So 210 degree equals to 180 degree plus 30 degree. So just put down in substitution of 210 degree, 180 degree plus 30 degree. So what we get now? Sin pi, 180 degree is pi plus theta. That means sin pi plus theta equals to minus sin theta. That means what? Minus sin 30 degree. That means sin 30 degree equals to half. So we get that minus 1 by 4. Minus symbol is there. So minus 1 by 4. So let's see. Cos 2A formula. What do you mean cos 2A formula? What is the formula of the cos 2A? 2 cos square A minus 1, or you can write down 1 minus 2 sin square A, or you can write down cos square A minus sin square A, or you can write down 1 minus tan square A whole by 1 plus tan square A. So these are 4 formulas. We just use this formula by your questions answer. Question answer, what you need in your question to answering them, then you just use this formula. Which formula you should use? This is what you need in your answer. So let's see, from this formula we get that 2 cos square equals to 1 plus cos 2A, or you can write down cos square A equals to 1 plus cos 2A by 2, or you can write down cos A equals to 1 plus cos 2A by 2 whole root over. Then another formula, from the another formula, 2 sin square A equals to 1 minus cos 2A, sin square A equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2, and sin A equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2 whole root over. So next, for example, cot pi by 8 minus tan pi by 8 equals to 2. This is, we should prove this. So we are starting from LHS because RHS side is a number. LHS is cot pi by 8 minus tan pi by 8. We know that cot pi by 8 equals to cos pi by 8 by sin pi by 8 minus tan pi by 8 equals to sin pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. So you just subtract all these things. What you get? Sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8. In numerator, cos square pi by 8 minus sin square pi by 8. We know that cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. Here also this formula format is here. Cos square theta is pi by 8, sin square theta is pi by 8. And another in denominator, there we needed 2. If you multiply a 2, then you should divide a 2. So, this is a formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. So, what do we get now? Sin 2 theta. So, I am writing here, we should write here 2 cancel out 8, 4, sin, here sin pi by 4, and this 2 division 2 is multiplied with the cos 2 theta formula. So, what do we get now? 2 cos pi by 4 by sin pi by 4. So, 2 cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. What do we get now? 2, which is RHS. This is proved now. Tan 2a. What is the tan 2a formula? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Cot 2a formula is alternative. Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. So, we should use now in example. Find the value of tan 15 degree by 1 minus tan square 15 degree. From tan 15 degree 1 minus tan square 15 degree, that means this is a formula format, but we need a 2. So, if you multiply a 2, then you should divide a 2. So, now this is a formula 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So, what do we get now? Tan 2 theta. 2 theta means 2 into 15 degree. 2 into 15 degree equals to 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. What do we get now? 1 by 2 root 3. That means we find out that value of tan 15 degree by 1 minus tan square 15 degree equals to 1 by 2 root 3. Triple angle identities. We know that sin 3a equals to sin 2a plus a. So, this is a formula, sin a plus b formula, sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So, now here we just convert cos 2a into 1 minus 2 sin square a. Then we get now sin 2a formula is 2 sin a into cos a. Then what we get now? 2 sin a into cos square a plus sin a minus 2 sin qa. So, we just common from this 2 sin a, we just common these two first term and third term, we get that 1 minus sin square a, and second term is now here. So, what do we get now? This is 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. So, sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. For example, find the value of sin 20 degree, 3 minus 4 cos square 70 degree. Sin 20 degree, 3 minus 4 cos square 70 degree. So, sin 20 degree equals to 3 minus 4 cos square. We just compute this 90 degree minus 20 degree. Acute angle. We just convert it into acute angle. So, what do you get now? Cos 90 degree minus theta equals to sin theta. So, sin square theta. So, you just multiply 3 sin 20 degree minus 4 sin q 20 degree. What do you get now? This is a formula of sin 3a. So, 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa. So, what do you get now? Sin 3a. So, sin 60 degree. So, what do you get? The answer root 3 by 2. Cos 3a. Cos 3a formula how to find out? Cos 2a plus a. We know that cos a plus b formula, a is to a, b is a. So, what is the cos a plus b formula? Cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. We know that cos 2a formula, there are 4 formulas. We took the first formula 2 cos square a minus 1. And instead of sin 2a, 2 sin a into cos a. So, what do we get now? 2 cos qa minus cos a minus 2 cos a into sin square a. So, sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. So, what do we get? 2 cos qa minus cos a, 2 cos a minus 2 cos qa. So, now we just get that 2 cos qa here 2 cos square 2 cos qa. Then there are 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. So, what you get? The formula is that cos 3a equals to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. For example, find sin 70 degree, 4 cos square 20 degree minus 3. In this way, we just find out 70 degree, we know that 90 degree minus 20 degree. Why we do it now? Because here 20 degree, so 70 degree. So we should acute this 70 degree. We can smallest this 70 degree. So we convert it into acute angle. So 90 degree minus 20 degree. So what do we get now? Cos 20 degree, 4 cos square 20 degree minus 3 and 4 cos cube 20 degree minus 3 cos 20 degree. This is the formula of cos 2a. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta. So what do we get? Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is half. Tan 3a. What is the formula of tan 3a? We just find out now. Tan 2a plus a. Here a is 2a, b is a. So we know that tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b whole by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So we know that tan 2a formula. So we just put down 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a plus tan a and 1 minus, instead of tan 2a we just put down 2 tan a whole by 1 minus tan square a into tan a. So what we get now? We just in numerator we just add and in denominator we just subtract it. We get that 1 minus tan square a is the LCM. Here also 1 minus tan square a is the LCM. So it's cancelled. What we get now? 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 minus tan square a whole by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. So what we get? 3 tan a minus tan qa whole by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So here the formula is that we conclude that tan 3a equals to 3 tan a minus tan qa whole by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Cot 3a, in this way we just find out cot 2a plus a. We just find out the formula. What is the formula? Cot qa minus 3 cot a whole by 3 cot square minus 1. So what is the formula? Cot 3a equals to cot qa minus 3 cot a whole by 3 cot square minus 1. Prove that. For example, let's see example root 3 tan 10 degree minus 10 cube 10 degree equals to 1 minus 3 tan square 10 degree. We have to find out from tan 30 degree equals to what? Tan 3 into 10 degree. So we know that tan 3a formula, 3a is 10 degree. So what is the formula? 3 tan a minus tan qa whole by 1 minus 3 tan square a. What do you get now? We know that tan 30 degree equals to 1 by tan root 3 and this side is 3 tan 10 degree minus tan q 10 degree whole by 1 minus 3 tan square 10 degree. You just cross multiply each other, then what we get now? In LHS side root 3 3 tan 10 degree minus tan q 10 degree and other side 1 minus 3 tan square 10 degree. Here we just prove that our question example. Special formulas is what? Sin a into sin 60 degree minus a into sin 60 degree plus a equals to sin 3a by 4. We just put by the formula. We know that sin a minus b formula, sin a plus b formula. We just put these formulas. We get this formula answer. Sin 3a by 4. Cos a into cos 60 degree minus a cos 60 degree plus a equals to cos 3a by 4. And another is tan a into tan 60 degree minus a into tan 60 degree plus a equals to tan 3a. This is a special formula. We should remember all this formula. We just use in our questions. Here, one question is we should use here sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree into sin 60 degree and sin 80 degree equals to 3 by 16. LHS. We know that this is 20, 40, 60, 80. All is sin symbol. So, we should convert it. 60 minus 20, here 60 and 80 degree equals to 60 plus 20. So, we know that sin A into sin 60 degree minus A, sin 60 degree plus A equals to what is the formula? Sin 3A by 4. So, we just put down here A is 20 degree. So, what we get now? Sin 60 degree. And we know that sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So, we got that 1 by 4 sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 4 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2. We got that 3 by 16. So, here this is RHS proved. We just find out the value of this question. This is 3 by 16 and we use the formula which is a special formulas. What are the formulas? Sin A into sin 60 degree minus A into sin 60 degree plus A equals to sin 3A by 4. In this way, cos A into cos 60 degree minus A into cos 60 degree plus A equals to cos 3A by 4. In this way, tan A into tan 60 degree minus A into tan 60 degree plus A equals to tan 3A. In this way, we just find out the formulas and we use these formulas. Thank you everyone.